friend, as always, I'm YIMTECH, working with Dr. Electronics, based in Uganda. This is the card of the Dr. Electronics. Today I'm going to show you how to deal with a phone with the problem on the screen. This is a cell phone known as SIMI. I'm going to show how we can troubleshoot the problem with the screen. I want to show you that the screen is not showing anything. Even if we try to do that, it's on, but the screen is not showing anything. The problem is with the screen. So I'm going to try to troubleshoot the screen. First of all, we're going to start with disassembling the phone. After assembling it, we're going to look for the problem. This is the phone, as you can see. This is the phone, as you can see. The screen is here. Screen lines, as you can see. So I'm going to try to troubleshoot the problem with it, and at the end of the day I want to see whether the phone is well fixed or not. I'm going to start with repairing the screen. So this is the screen which has the problem, and first of all we have to spot screen here on the board, and these lines of the screen will be clean. If the lines on the screen are clean, that shows that the phone can either switch on or not. So I'm dealing with it, cleaning the screen. As you can see, these are the lines of the screen. They are all clean. So secondly, I'm going to put on the screen back to see whether it's fixed. Maybe that brought the problem on the screen. So I'm going to show you whether the screen is back. As you can see, I'm working on the screen. Now we're going to put in the battery to see whether the phone is powering on or not. The phone is powering on. It wasn't powering on, but now it shows that it is powering on. As you can see, that's the phone. Now it's on. I've cleaned the screen. After cleaning the screen and the board, I replaced back the screen, as you can see. So just follow me. I'm going to assemble it to show you that the phone now it is working. done. As you